Hello, Global Stars. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to change the font size of your code. For example, this is a project I've just written about the library management system. It is a project. Now, if you look at the code, you see that the font size is very, very small, right? So is it possible for us to be able to change it? Because this is in our Visual Studio Code and this is a Python project. Can I be able to change the size? Yes, it is possible to change the font size. So how can we change it? You just go to File, choose Preferences, Settings. So under Settings, you're going to take Text Editor. You click on Text Editor, choose Font. So when you choose Font, you come to Font Size. The font size, you can now choose put the font size you want. Let's say for this particular tutorial, I'm just going to give it as 32. So I want to change the font size of my work so that my code can be really visible for me to see and for others also if I'm showing something, because it'll help me to identify any issue very fast. When it's too small like that, it's not really visible, right? Okay, just click anywhere outside. Now you can then click here, click the X here to close this particular settings. You just click here. Now you can see how visible it is, right? Now the code is bigger. It's now much more visible. Right? We can be able to see it, right? So this is how, guys, you can be able to increase the font size of your project or any code you're working on, or if you're working on Visual Studio Code, you just go in. And anytime you want to maybe go back to the original font size or resize it again, you just need to follow the same procedure. So this is it, guys. And then if you look, guys, before finishing here, if you look at the end screen, you're going to see, for those of you who maybe wish to know more about Python, this at the end screen, you're going to see Python full course for beginners that you can click and be able to learn how to become a Python developer for free. Also, if you want to learn how to build cool projects, you're going to see another playlist that is Python playlist, Python projects. So Python projects for beginners to advance. So you can be able to click there. You're going to see all the various projects. And guys, while you're enjoying them, don't forget to keep a like in this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell if this is your first time that you're subscribing to the channel. To those who have been rocking with us from day one, thank you guys for supporting the channel. And guys, when you watch the videos, don't forget to keep a like in the video. When you keep the like, it helps YouTube to boost the algorithm of this channel, and YouTube to be able to push the video to as many places as possible for others to gain the knowledge. So guys, this is it for today. Thank you so much and see you in the next class.